Hey, how you doing, and welcome back to the 12 Markets of Christmas series. So today we are up to day 4 and I'm back in London. This time I am at the Southbank Winter Wonderland Christmas Markets. Okay, so before we get into the main area where the markets are, there are a few little stalls and this merry-go-round for the kids before you get under the bridge, just ahead where the markets are. You've got a bar here just before you get to the bridge, which is serving various selection of draft beers, spirits. You've got mulled wines there, cocktails, soft drinks. There's another bar over to that side there. We've also got a stall selling waffles and donuts. There's a nice cosy little bar. So definitely we'll get a drink at some point, whether we come back down this way. I'll see if there's any bars underneath this bridge area as we go along. Chocolate Kiss, we saw them, I'm pretty sure, at Trafalgar Square. So here we go, coming into the main market strip, which is under one of the bridges along the Thames. I can already see as I walk along the chalets, the wooden alpine chalets on the left are selling kind of knickknacks and crafts and Christmas decorations and goods and various things, and then as you come to the right hand side is where all the food stalls are. So I think we'll have a look at everything down the left hand side and then make our way back along the left with all the food. There's a Lynette Jewellery of London. Oh no, I was wrong. Here's a hot dog stall. So you can see there you can get a classic dog for $11.20, $12.50 for a vegan. A coffee shop. There you can get your cheeseburgers. So £14 for a burger, $14.50 for a hot beef smash. There you go. Hi there. Here are selling cookies. Finally, another bar at the bottom, looks similar to the one at the top end. So it is. We're going to make our way back down the left hand side. I think the thing is that I'm finding with the two markets that I've done so far in London, they are pretty small. I think the main market is at Hyde Park, but unfortunately on the day that I've come today, it was closed. So down this left hand side there you've got a stall selling Dutch pancakes with all your toppings, marshmallows, sprinkles, chocolate nuts. This is the baked bird menu. So you get various things like wings and chicken fries, vegan wings, currywurst, barbecue. We've got a chulo momo dumplings. And the duck shed selling wraps and burgers and things. So what, £13.50, £13.95.
Hello there.
How you doing? You okay?
Very well, thank you, yeah.
You get a rice box or nachos, fries, loaded fries. Various prices there. £13.50 seems to be the going rate for any of their dishes here. Yorkshire pudding burrito. Sounds amazing. So £13.50 for a Christmas special Yorkshire pudding burrito. And then we are there back down to the beginning of the stall, beginning of the rows of markets. I'm going to go and find somewhere to get a drink. There's a couple of places dotted up and down this section along the South Bank. So let's take a look and find somewhere to get a drink. We're going to go into this bar here. Looks like there's a table free there. So let's head inside and get a drink. Coming to this bar, I would normally go for a mulled wine, but I saw on the menu that they got a mulled cider, so I thought why not give that a try. Wow. That is beautiful. That was £8, which I think pretty standard price for a kind of a festive drink at the Christmas markets, unless you're in Edinburgh. So cheers everybody, and thanks for watching so far. We're up to episode 4, so I've got plenty of travels around the UK to go before we reach day 12. And don't forget there's a playlist in the description for the episode so far, and I will add the future videos to that playlist as well. So if you're watching these videos at a later date, you can probably find the whole 12 days playlist available to watch now. So that's day 4 done on the 12 markets of Christmas. Join me tomorrow for day number 5, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you get updates when future videos come out in this series, and I will see you tomorrow.